walked the streets of Paris. We've seen the statues fall. We've watched the writing spread across the ancient palace wall. First we had the absolute, the king upon the throne, with power in his scepter and a heart of heavy stone. Then we tried the limited, a king within a cage, a constitutional monarchy for a brand new age. But the fire grew too hot, and the crown was tossed aside for a republic built on virtue and the people who have died. Oh, the pendulum swings from the left to the right, from the dark of the prison to the morning light. We're looking for the center, we're looking for the way to find a little order in the chaos of the day. Yeah, the pendulum swings. The terror left us scarred, the terror left us cold. The stories of the incorruptible have all been told. Robespierre is silent now, the blade has had its fill, and the nation's looking for a way to just stand still. No more radical extremes, no more blood within the street. We need a government that's moderate and maybe a bit more sweet. So in 1795, a new plan was designed to leave the madness of the past and the guillotines behind. Enter the directory, 5 men at the wheel, trying to balance out the fire and the steel. 2 houses in the hall, like a Congress in the West. 5 directors in the Senate, putting moderation to the test. But moderate is hard when the pockets are all bare, and the scent of corruption is hanging in the air. They're inefficient, they're divided, they're losing all their grip, while the citizens are looking for a hand to guide the ship. The directory is wobbling, the center cannot hold, but a name is being whispered, a story being told. From the battlefields of Italy, from the sands of the East, comes a man who says he'll tame the revolutionary beast. He's not a king, he's not a priest, soldier through and through. And in 1790